22. Which of the systems described in exercise 1316 are homogeneous equilibria and which are heterogeneous equilibria? Okay, so I pulled up one of those balanced equations. In this case, we have to find out if 2H2 gas plus O2 gas, which comes to equilibrium with 2 H2O liquid, whether this is going to be a homogeneous equilibria or a heterogeneous equilibria. Well, the definitions are down here. In homogeneous equilibria, all of the phases are the same throughout the whole equation. Versus in heterogeneous equilibria, you have to see some differences. The phases are going to be different in the equation. So pay no mind to what the compounds are. Who cares about that? Just look at the phases. So in this case, I have a gas. I got another gas. But then, there's a liquid here. What do you think? Gases are not the same as liquids. So I do see some differences. Since there's at least one difference, this would be a heterogeneous equilibrium. And that is your answer. So, there you go. Simple as that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Got tons more help coming your way. We got physics and math videos at the moment also on the channel, so go check it out, all right? And tell your friends, tell your classmates. They might, like the channel too, right? And get help from it, so it's a win-win. Thank you, and I will see you all later. Okay, bye-bye.